My name is Christy Lynn. This video is for one of my exes. If you're watching this video on YouTube, I would like to let you know Summer Faith passed away of this last year of October. And you didn't have to block me. I was keeping my distance, and yes, I did say happy birthday to you. And I have thought about you 2 times, maybe several anyway. I'm going through a lot at the moment, and also I've been doing a lot of poetry again, and I had a poetry page on Facebook. But I saved them on my phone and my iPad, and I wanted to let you know I have been keeping my distance, and I was letting you know I was keeping myself busy. That's what I was trying to do, and you didn't have to block me. And but anyway, I just thought you should know she passed, and that's not all who passed. Jack also passed this last month, and that's not all who also passed in my life. And I'm just not gonna mention his name because it still hurts. And I wanted to let you know I am working on my career of writing, and I'm working on three books, and one of the books I'm dedicating is a poetry book, and I'm not going to spoil it. If you're interested, let me know, and I would say, hey, I'm still working on it, and I might read it to you. Well, one of them anyway. I haven't decided, but I'm letting it to let you decide to reach out to me, because I know I have my ups and downs, and I have changed a lot. Last time we talked, sort of. Anyway, and also, I wanted to let you know, I started off smoky, and but I thought hopefully you can reach out to me. And but anyway, I hope you are doing okay. And sometimes when I'm like this, you know me way too well. When I'm having ups and downs, you always, not just you, others as well. I'm not going to say her name, but I know exactly the one I'm thinking of, because you and her always listens to me when I'm thinking and feeling. And that's what I love both about you, because you listen. And right now, I kind of like need you, because you always know what you say. Like, you are very patient with me when I'm ready to talk, when I'm kind of like right now. Like, I need to talk to someone to get these thoughts out of my head. You always know what to say to me. Right now, I just want to run and hide. I'm not turning back. That's what I feel at times. But anyway, I hope you're watching this, and I'm going to sign off. Later.